Sup internet friends, welcome back to Free the Tomatoes. Today I'm going to be updating you on how the one with summertime is going. This was the project where we picked 5 perfumes that we wanted to get through for the summer season. So without further ado, let's get into the ones that are still in this challenge. So the first one that's easy to see the progress that we made, this is the Beauty Rush Slice of Heaven. This one just smells purely of vanilla. It's the one that's got that oil layer as well as that fragrance layer. To be quite honest, I find it a nuisance to have to like shake it up every time, and you kind of have to shake it as you use it or it still starts separating as you're using it. But as you can see, we've made a ton of progress, and that's because I actually remember to use this every single day. So I'll layer this one on before I even get dressed, and then I actually go in with one of the other ones over top on my clothes. So that way it's like, my skin has a nice sweet vanilla scent, and then I put the other scent on top just for like that added boost of sweetness. I smell like a freaking candy store. So we were here last time and we are here now. So the two that are a little bit harder to kind of pick the progress on, I have Vanilla Mokha as well as Vanilla Apricot. I think this one's the fullest one out of it, and if I had to guess, I want to say it's about here. So about a third left of it. I'm thinking this is probably my least favorite scent out of all the ones that I had. I'm not sure what it is about this one. Yeah, like it's still sweet, it's still really nice, it's just my least favorite out of all of them. And my favorite one that's left, this is Vanilla Mokha. This smells exactly like what you think it does, and it's sad to say, but I think it's only about here. So this one is almost gone, so I'm gonna be sad when that goes, but I really did enjoy the scent. And on to the bittersweet kind of update of this project, and that is that Vanilla Banana is gone. I love this one. This is probably tied with Vanilla Mokha as my favorite scent that's in this project, and I do have to admit that you can definitely tell these are getting old because they did not last on the skin. But what was kind of nice about this one is that even when that initial banana scent wore off, it still just smelled vanilla-y and sweet on the skin. So it was one of those ones that smelled good when you put it on, and it also smelled good as it started to wear away. Because I know for me sometimes when the scents start kind of going, it leaves like that almost stale scent on my skin. This did not do that, so I'm super happy to report that and super sad that it's gone. But we used it up, we got our money's worth out of it, and now to use up the rest of them. So that is my update for the one with summertime. Thank you for checking in, and hopefully we'll have some good news next update as well. But until then, I hope you guys are having a good week, a good day, good month. I just hope things are good for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.